Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Basic Man versus the Gentleman's Box. So these are both subscriptions for men. This is what it says, Basic Man. So this is $20 a month or like $19.99. You get the necessities. You get a t-shirt, a pair of underwear, and a pair of socks. I get this for both John and Vladimir, so they both enjoy this bag. I mean, it's just the essentials. Everybody needs them. And then the gentleman's box is for the more savvy man. So someone that likes to wear button-ups and ties and stuff like that. This is $29, $30 a month. So let's get into that. Oh, but before we do, just real quick, there is a giveaway going on that is linked down below. There are 8 winners and there are some Jeffree Star products, blah, 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 blah. There's other information down there if you are interested. So let's go ahead and get into these. So the first thing I am pulling out of Basic Man is a pair of socks, and they are just gray and teal and white. And these socks are always really well made. I don't know, the guys really like them. The next thing I am pulling out are the underwear, and again, they are gray and teal. I'm pretty sure they already have this exact same pair, so I wonder if it's been so long they're starting to recycle them, because while I don't recall the socks, these underwear are very familiar, and the color of this shirt is really familiar. So there is the color of the shirt. I don't know. Of course, I'm not 100% sure. I never really am, I guess. But I don't know. I feel like these are repeats, and we haven't even been doing this subscription for a year. So to get repeats so soon, I'm not sure. I'll keep an eye on it. We may cancel. I don't know. We don't need a bunch of repeats. The next thing is the gentleman's box, and this is a really cool box. So it opens in a tri-fold manner like this. Oops, and stuff falls out. You do get a booklet, and it does tell you what everything is worth. So the first thing I am pulling, ooh, that's really pretty and sleek. So the first thing I am pulling out is a hair out of my mouth. This always happens when I wear my hair down. Anyway, it's just silver and gray. It's a two-toned gray. I don't know if you can see that with my lighting, but there is a darker gray stripe, and then a lighter gray stripe, and then a silver stripe. So that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out here is, oh wait. The tie retails for $29. The next thing I am pulling out is a bow tie, and it retails for $39. And it is also just a silver and a gray. That's really cool. That's really nice. And then the next thing I am pulling out is this. And I'm not going to open it because I don't want to lose the pieces, but I will show you their collar stays. So they're metal pieces that you can stick in your collar to keep a stiff, straight collar. And they retail for $20. That is what they look like. So I don't know, like when you first buy shirts, they usually come with a little plastic inserts, and we have always just taken them out because I didn't know how they would act in the washer and dryer, and I didn't know if that was something that you were supposed to pull out, take back in, and I don't know, it just seemed like a lot of work, but these are actually metal, so I'll see what John wants to do with that. The next thing I am pulling out are these socks, and they're worth $15, and they are also just, well, gray, silver, black, maybe leaning towards black. Anyway, they match. That's cool. And then the last thing I am pulling out are these travel wipes. They do not have a retail price, so I am not sure. But let's see, there are for face and body. There's one piece in each, so there is that. Okay, that was a gentleman's box. I think that it was a good box. I always think it's a pretty good box. I really like the things that come in this box, so, and John does too. He really enjoys some of this stuff, so that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.